Hey guys, how are we doing? So it's Crypto Insight UK here, bringing you back another YouTube video. So we're going to jump into a bit of TA today, and I've got a few little tweets that I wanted to show you as well. But we're just going to keep it quite short today because honestly, there isn't that much that's changed. So we lost a 200-day the other day. Again, we pushed up to try and break above that. Didn't manage to break above the 200-day on the daily Bitcoin moving averages, and we rejected that. Came down, had a nice drop on that day of like an 8%, 8.5% drop. We're trying to push back up now towards the 200-day again. Had a bit of a relief rally yesterday. However, we're still in exactly the same position that we've been in for a while, guys. Stuck in this descending, broadening wedge, and basically we're just ranging sideways here. At this point, we're stuck between the 200 and this Fibonacci retracement level. And as I was saying, we need to push towards this top resistance line of this descending wedge. When we break above that, we're looking to challenge the 50-day moving average, which is $54,000, and then we're really looking to target that $59,500, which has been a key support / resistance level in this bull run so far. But as I was saying, this is actually a reversal pattern, so when we do break out, we are looking to come where the wedge was formed, so it would be around this 59,500 level. That's really where the target would be if we do manage to get a clean breakout from this level. In regards to Ethereum, we could say we found a bottom in and around here because we've got these long wicks on the bottom of the candles, and we could be starting to print a reversal pattern there. And I'll show you something on Bitcoin. We sort of saw a double bottom on the pattern yesterday, but it's too early to tell, to be completely honest. One thing that I would like to take into consideration is that Doge. I know today it's dropping, but we had a big Doge pump yesterday off the back of some Elon Musk news, basically saying that Tesla might release some merch in association with Doge or related to Doge as well, like Doge and Tesla merch. And the thing that I would really like to point out about that is that Elon Musk has had a massive influence on this market so far. Whether you think it's because of him or where the market timing, or he knows the market timing is, he's going to have loads of technical analysts in at Tesla. So let's just talk about a few things. So this is the day where Elon Musk reported that Tesla would be holding Bitcoin on their balance sheet and also maybe accepting payments in Bitcoin. Bitcoin was challenging its all-time high that it had been accumulating below for 30 days. And then the day that it starts to challenge it, Tesla announced that and helped Bitcoin break through. So that obviously increases market sentiment. Then we have these rises. We have this drop in price here, and we have the retracement rallies of the 702 Fibonacci retracement, which I'll show you here. A retracement rally up to 702 here. And when we hit that 702, Elon Musk, that's the day that Elon Musk goes on the Saturday Night Live show to talk about Dogecoin. Everyone's expecting Doge to pump to $1. If this is like the 8th of May, I'm pretty sure, in and around there is when Doge was ripping. Yeah, the 8th of May, 5th, 7th, 8th. This is the day that Elon Musk went on Saturday Night Live. Everyone's expecting Doge to go to $1. That's what everyone's target was. Hit 73 cents. Massive crash because he basically doesn't pump Doge on the Saturday Night Live. So then we have this crash. And then we accumulate down at these lows for 60 days plus. And then Elon Musk goes on the Bitcoin show. Then with Jack Dorsey and Cathie Wood, so Cathie Wood from ARK Invest and Jack Dorsey, the ex-CEO of Twitter. Then Bitcoin starts to rally out of this zone. We have that China FUD where China banned Bitcoin. The miners moved to America. Now we've got higher hash rates than ever before. The miners aren't selling, a liquid supply. We've got whales buying up we've basically got long-term holders buying up the bags of the short-term holders. The main thing we haven't got at the minute is sentiment. The market sentiment is actually lower than it's ever been not ever, but it's lower than it was in the C19 sell-off, and it's also lower than it was in this area. So people are more fearful of the market now than they were back in those two areas. However, the long-term whales are still buying up bags. And then we've had Elon Musk come out and pump Dogecoin a bit yesterday. Is he trying to put the sentiment back in the market, and could this mark the bottom and be another reversal like it was similar to the one show? It's just something that I'd like you guys to keep your eyes on. It's just a free thought for you as well. So as I said, we are looking for Ethereum. Maybe has found a bottom here too. XRP literally still ranging. There's not loads of TA I can really do. There's not loads of change in my eyes. XRP is still ranging. We're still looking for support. Could we be holding this support line here that where the bottom of this descending wedge, and also the support line from the 21st of November. We look to still be holding on top of that until we lose that or push out. We are going to be still chopping in this sort of area. We need to push up towards the 96-cent mark and reclaim the moving averages. We could be getting a death cross on the daily, but we've seen one down here. Normally they are a lagging indicator, and as you can see here, the death cross actually did nearly signify the bottom. So if this does get a death cross, we could say we're nearly at the bottom here. We do want to reclaim the moving averages and then hopefully push out that zone. If we are at the bottom, similar to where we were back there, we could be expecting a rise, something similar to this. So the very top is 169%, and to the first area of resistance, it was 157%. Where would that take us? That would take us up to, from the bottom, 157 would take us to $2, and 164 would take us to 208. So in and around that price area, we could be looking for a breakout if we can reclaim these moving averages and get above that 134. Other than that, guys, as I said, there's not too much to say. Like, AVAX is something that I was looking for a day trade on. I didn't actually manage to get in. This is a massively strong order block. Look, it found resistance there, struggled with it there, came down, wicked into it twice, and then we settled into it, and then we've really started to push off out of that zone. In and around the $76 to $80 level was from where I was really had my eye on. I just managed to miss that trade yesterday. But then that, guys, I'm just going to get into a little bit of news. Keep this video nice and short for you. So the news is, the main story for me is this. Just in, US Senate passed debt limit increase by 2.5 trillion. And this made me laugh. So Tyler Winklevoss of Gemini Exchange said, break-in, Senate OK's $2.5 trillion advertisement for Bitcoin. And Michael saying it would appear Bitcoin has government support. So basically, America are increasing the debt ceiling again. No surprise there for me. They have to basically do it. And one final story I just want to show you guys is that Forbes have actually written an article on the SEC versus XRP or / Ripple lawsuit. Do we think that something big is going to come from that? Do we think there could be a settlement around the corner? We've got a lot of pressure on the SEC at the minute. I'd love to know what you guys think in the comments. If you've got any questions for me, please let me know. If you don't already, subscribe, like, and drop me a comment. That would help the channel out a lot. Until then, guys, thank you for listening. Peace up, A-Town down, and I'll see you on the next one.